So students, let us start with our next theorem of this chapter, which is angle bisector theorem. So the statement is the angle bisector of an angle of a triangle divides the opposite side internally in the ratio of corresponding sides containing an angle. So our proof is given. In triangle ABC, AD is the internal bisector. To prove AB by AC equal to BD by CD. So our construction is draw a line through C parallel to AB. Extend AD to meet line C at E. So this is our diagram. So ABC is our triangle. So AD is the angle bisector. So what is we are going to prove is AB divided by AC equal to BD divided by CD. Okay. How we can prove this means we should draw a construction. So what is the construction? We should draw a line a line parallel to AB from C. So the line will be like this. Then we should cut the line by AD extended to point E. So we should extend the point AD to meet the line which we started drawing from the point C, which is we'll mark it as E. Okay, so our first statement is angle AEC equal to angle BAE. Angle AEC equal to BAE. So this angle and this angle. That is how it is equal means two parallel lines cut by a transversal make alternate angle equal. So let me take these two as parallel lines. Okay, so when the line cuts two parallel lines, that line will be called as transversal. So this is a transversal. So if it cuts two parallel lines, the alternate angles will be equal. Okay, so here alternate angles are these two. So these two are equal. So in triangle ACE is isosceles. You can see ACE is isosceles because AC equal to CE. When we extend this, we will get this as this equal because triangle ACE, angle CAE equal to angle CEA. CAE equal to CEA. Okay, how means this is angle bisector. So this and these two are equal. So when these two are equal, then these two are also equal. So we can take this as both equal. Opposite sides of the isosceles triangle are equal because opposite angles are equal. So okay, so this is an isosceles triangle. So AC equal to CE. Okay, AC equal to CE, we got it. Then our third is triangle ABD is similar to triangle ECD. Triangle ABD is similar to ACD. How? By A similarity. See, these two angles are equal. Then these two triangles. Okay, so when you see 1 and 1 are equal, then 2 and 2 are equal, then you know what is it. So A similarity. So we'll take the ratio by Thales theorem, which is AB by CE equal to BD by CD. Okay, so AB by AC equal to BD by CD. How? We proved that CE equal to AC. Then we can replace CE in the place of AC. So that only we have done CE in the place of AC. So we have got from 1 AC equal to CE. Hence we have proved it. This is our two proof. So we have proved it. So our theorem number 4 is converse of angle bisector theorem. Just the opposite. So our statement is if a straight line through one vertex of a triangle divides the opposite side internally in the ratio of the other two sides, then the line bisects the angle internally at the vertex. Our proof is given as ABC is a triangle. Then AD divides BC in the ratio of the sides containing the angles A to meet BC at D. That is AB by AC equal to BD by DC, which is our first equation. Then to prove is AD bisects angle A, that is 1 equal to 2. Construction, draw CE parallel to DA, extend BA to meet at D. So this is our diagram. So I'll show you everything. Okay, so you know that AB by AC so equal to BD by CD, it is given. Okay, in the last theorem we saw we have to prove this thing. Okay, now it is given, we should prove what AD bisects angle A. That is, we should prove these two angles are equal. Okay. So let us draw line CE parallel to DA. Okay. So extend BA to meet at D. So same way we are extending a line to meet at CE. Okay. So we will mark this point as E now. Okay. Then our first statement is, let BAD equal to 1 and DAC equal to 2. BAD and DAC equal to 1 and 2. So assumption. Let us take it as a assumption. Assumption means பொதுவாக நம்ம எடுத்துக்கிறது தான் நம்ம அசம்ஷன் வச்சுக்கலாம். ஸோ வந்து 2 வந்து ஆங்கிள் பிஏடி ஈக்குவல் டு ஆங்கிள் ஏஇசி, ஆங்கிள் பிஏடி ஈக்குவல் டு ஆங்கிள் ஏஇசி ஈக்குவல் டு 1. ஏன்னு உங்களுக்கு தெரியும். ஏன்னா since DA parallel to CE and AC is a transversal, corresponding angles are equal. DA parallel to CE. Okay. So இந்த ஆங்கிளும் இந்த ஆங்கிளும் ஈக்குவல். இப்போது கரஸ்பாண்டிங் ஆங்கிள்ஸ் ஏன்னா இதுவும் ஈக்குவலாக இருக்கும். ஓகேவா? ஸோ அதை தான் நம்ம இங்கே பார்க்குறோம், அதாவது ஈக்குவலாக இருக்குது. ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட் இஸ் angle DAC equal to angle ACE equal to 2. Since DA parallel to CE and AC is a transversal, alternate angles are equal. So you can see DAC equal to ACE. So same thing, transversal la alternate angles are equal. Okay. Then BA by AE equal to BD by DC. This is our second equation. In triangle BCE by Thales theorem. Okay, BA by AE equal to BD by DC. So we'll also use some other theorem. We'll take this inside and we can prove any theorem. So you can see when I change this to this side, you can now understand that. So you know this divided by this equal to this divided by this, when these two are parallel by Thales theorem. So now only we are doing BA by AE equal to BD by DC. That's it, by Thales theorem. So AB by AC equal to BD by DC from 1. What is our equation number 1? AB by AC equal to BD by DC. We are take it in the given itself. We have done it. So we'll take it inside the proof. So you can know that AB by AC equal to BA by AE. So you know that these two are same and equal, means then these two will be the same and equal. So you know that AB and BA are same. So you can cancel it. You will get AE and EC by cancelling AB. AC by EE equal to AE. So this is our third equation. So angle 1 equal to 2. That is, so AD bisects angle A, since angle 1 equal to BAD and angle 2 equal to DAC. So hence proved.